Future, you hold on my sorrows. The past, she was good to me.
Della. Here's my dog, which I'm not having for breakfast. So what I'm having for breakfast is an egg white omelet with minced garlic, garlic powder, salt, pepper, and I believe it's about me trying to show off my nails. I just got dip nails. But I believe it's about 5 or 6 egg whites, and then I'm eating a quarter of a Haas avocado and just drinking water, and I'm about to go to the gym after this, so I'll show you guys that too. So this is the gym fit. I have on a Nike sports bra, a Forever 21 tank top, and then just some Target leggings. Honestly, pro tip, wearing cute clothes to the gym is so motivating. So yeah, life hack. And I haven't showered. I just have a ton of coconut oil in my hair. I used to hate exercising, so I would say that I had exercise-induced asthma so that I didn't have to work out. Tracks over stripes.
Testing my will with temptation down in
Lovely weather we're having.
I'm only rewarded for patience when I play her game. She picks up on all my vibrations and plays with my chemistry.
So I just finished in the gym. It's been like 2 hours. I got really carried away with basketball, but I'm fine with that. It was an extra workout. Now I'm going grocery shopping just for a few small things because there's not a lot of food I can eat at the house, but I also brought an orange clementine thing, so I think I'm gonna eat this. Let's go. Now it is time to wash this coconut oil out of my hair that's been in it for almost 24 hours now. And low-key, a life hack is to, when you're washing out oil from your hair, put in conditioner before you get in the shower, like all over your hair, and then wash that out and then wash normally. And I swear it takes the oil out every single time. All right, I'm back. I just got out of the shower. Today's fit is not that cute because all I'm doing is going to the dentist and it's pretty late in the day. But update, my hair doesn't feel greasy at all, but I am just gonna not put any product in it to see how it turns out. And I'll let you guys know about that too. But I'm gonna go downstairs and eat because I am severely hungry. To be honest, when am I not feeling a smoothie? So that's what I'm gonna eat. Meatloaf. And I like to make mine chocolate strawberry flavor. So I know you can't really see now, but what I put in my smoothie is about 1 frozen banana, a 1.5 cups of frozen strawberries, a cup of almond milk, the protein powder, and then I just fill the rest up with water. So yeah. I know this looks like a lot to be drinking in one sitting, and that's because it is. So I just got out the dentist. How do they look? Shout out to my dentist though, because he gave me free whitening trays, but I know him, so that's why, but like still, thank you. I've honestly had such a good day today that it makes me like, do you ever just have such a good day that you're like, why? Like, why do I feel this good? I don't know, I'm just so happy, and like this is pretty rare. Like, it's sad, but like I'm so happy right now, and I did nothing today. I literally went to the gym and the dentist, and I've just had the time of my life. So let me know. So my mom decided that she wanted Thai food, and I'm always a fan of Thai food, so I'm gonna go pick that up and I'll show it to you guys when it's here. So if you didn't know, now you know. Red curry is my favorite food of all time. It came with onions, broccoli, peppers, bamboo shoots, and tofu. And it came with rice, but I don't normally eat the rice. I don't feel the need to, but it is good with rice. So I'm not gonna eat all of this, but I am gonna probably eat a lot of it. I'm super hungry. I'm also gonna pre-game dinner with some grapes. I almost just did a peace sign for like the 50th time in this video, but this is so good.
With my chemistry, she tricks me with all of these visions, then takes them away. She knows how to control the thunder and rain, or dust at dawn. She's spinning the top.